You're watching Second Mate Generation Tips, Tricks AMP tutorial. Now your host Second Officer Dana. If you are aspiring deck officer, this video is for you. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and click notification bell so you won't miss any of our video.
Good day, master. Into this tutorial, I will show you on how to delete chart licenses here in Tokyo Keiki ECDIS, Unregister database and register database, and update the database to the latest week. So before I start, I prepare some of my later needs. So here we have ABCS this one and ABCS this 2. It is updated to week 30, and I have also the EIO, and the most important is what is the base. Okay, so this is the schedule alpha, base 1, base 3 and base 4, also base 8, and of course the update that is I need so that I can return back my chart on ECDIS. Okay, so now we will start. So since I already back up this in my USB, so I will not need this 3 CD. Now I will insert my update USB B drive and my base 1 ABCS this 1 and this 2 including EIO. So now here we will go to our ECDIS. So now I will show you update review, create update status report. So I will show you here that I am updated to week 36 and all is up to date. Okay, so this tutorial is for the curiosity of some of you guys, and also how can you return back when someone accidentally delete your chart licenses, also someone unregister your database. So for example, here in chart licenses, here in ENC license list, so here this is all my license here. So for example, you will delete this only one ENC cell, so just highlight and click the delete cell permit. If you want all permit, then you can click delete all permit. So for example, someone delete all your permits, so I will show you on how to return back. So you can click this delete cell permit and click continue. It will delete your permit, and when you click delete all permit, and all your permit will be deleted. Once all your permit is deleted, also you can still have an ENC chart on your ECDIS. As you can see, I still have a chart even though I delete all this permit, because the database is still not unregistered, and also as you can see. But if I click unregistered database here, and all this ENC will disappear. So to return back your child licenses, just click the load license, and here in the B drive I have here in the information and permit. So this permit is backup, so just click this permit text and click install. Just click OK, go to license list, and now all my permit is returned back. Okay, so I will explain. You cannot register the database here if you don't have the license permit, so it must be the license first before you can register the database. So now we will go to next. I will show you that I will click the Unregister database, so all this ENC chart will be deleted. Okay, you can unregistered EIO, and here the SP57 ENC. You can click this and register database. You can also delete the particular chart, so just select database, click in this column, just click the chart list, and you can delete only those selected ENC chart. So for example, I will delete this only this chart, then I can click the unregistered chart, so that this chart will not show on your ECDIS. It will already delete. Okay, so I can click this unregistered chart and click OK. So this chart now will be deleted on my chart list. Okay, but if you like to delete this all this database, then you can, for example, EIO, I will click Unregister database and click OK. Just click OK. ENCGB, click Unregister database and click OK. Now I don't have a database now, and all my chart is deleted here on my ECDIS, so I don't have a chart now. So how to return this one? So don't worry, don't be afraid. If you know the process, you can return it back. So just, since I have already my chart licenses here, so I will show you. I will delete this old permit, and then I will show you that you cannot register the database if you don't have a license. So I will click register database. I will click this one. Okay, so I will click this MX01 for the this one, and click import. So 134 in this one, I only need 134 as per schedule alpha. Then click OK. You will see it will decrypting, but it will not register the database because I don't have a ENC permit. As you can see, it will show like this, and as you can see here, sell permit file not found, load the permit file provided by the data supplier. So you, even though you can click this one, okay, so the install here, it will not highlight because you don't have a permit. Okay, So I just only proved to you that it must be permit first before you can register the database. So now I will load my licenses again. So here, this is my permit, and click back up, permit, click install. Okay. So now go to license list and I have a permit. So meaning to say, only the chart that have permit will be installed here on my ECDIS. So all the other that don't have a ENC permit, it will not installed. Okay. So to register database, just click register database with media. So here, this is my desk 1. Just click, as you can see, multi-volume database. Just click import, select your base as per schedule alpha and click OK. So the decrypting process will start. So from S63 it will convert to SENC, system ENC, to S57. So this base is S63 edition. So it will convert here on the system of ECDIS to S57 edition. So it will make SENC, system electronic navigational chart. So we will wait after until the decrypting process is completed, and then this install will highlight. So now the decrypting process is completed. After that, just click OK, and as you can see here, the database is up to S57 ENC, and the install is highlight. So just click install. So as I said before, only those ENC that have permit will installed here, and the other one will show the error here. So meaning to say you don't have a permit for that particular seal. So if you know the process here on ECDIS, then you will not be afraid. You can return it back when someone accidentally delete your ENC permit, and also someone accidentally unregister your database. So the process is very simple. Also here, the log, after you complete, you can click this save to save into your USB. So now it will convert to the system. So that is the meaning of SENC, System Electronic Navigational Chart. From S63 edition, it will converted here and installed on your ECDIS. So now, as you can see, it converted and the other is already installed. As you can see, the process is still ongoing. Converting ENC files. So it is very important that you only select the base as per your schedule alpha, because if you select all, it will take time and then it is wasting of time. So as you can see previously, I only select NCD, and this one is base 1, 3, and 4 because that is the only base that I need. Okay, the other CD later I will select only the base 8, and lastly I will update. Okay, so as you can see, it is converted, and those chart that have permit is already installed. Okay, now ENC database has been successfully converted to is 57. So now I click screenshot. I can also save to the I can also save this log. Just click OK. And then so this is the ENC conversion log. Okay, just click OK. After that, now you can click this wait from media and then install the other one, so MX2, this 2. So I will ask the EIO to multi-volume. Just click import and then only select the volume that you need. So I only need the base 8, so I will not click this base 9, only base 8, and just click OK. So if you select all of this, and then you will waste your time because you only need base 8 as per your schedule alpha. Okay, so that is very important. So So now the disk 2 is already completed. Then you can click OK. It's 57 ENC, and the install will highlight. Just click install. So it will the same process as this one before. It will converted, and all that have permit will be installed. So now it is converting to converting ENC files. So previously I showed you on how to unregister only one chart. So if you have withdrawn chart, then you can unregister only those chart that is withdrawn, and also you can delete the permit of the withdrawn chart, so that it will not show on your update status. So when the chart is withdrawn, it is non-SOLAS compliance. It is already withdrawn by the ENC maker. Then you cannot use that for navigation, and then also you cannot update that ENC. So it is recommended that you will manually delete and or remove that chart in your system. Okay, also if you delete that withdrawn chart, you need to log that one in your NP133 Charlie. As you can see, installed. So all those have permit is the status is installed. So now the update is completed. Just click OK. So lastly, I will install the EIO database. Just click import, and now the database will be decrypting. Oh my god, it is very big. What is that? A whale? Oh, it is very pretty. Oh, that is very big one. As you can see here, I see this two whale, very big whale. So I am here now in North Atlantic Ocean. So now the EIO database is already updated, just click OK, and OK. So now we can go to update review and create update status report. As you can see, it is updated to week 30, and showing I have all not up to date, okay, because now the last one is week 36. So this is the status not up to date. Here you can see, so I have 0 withdrawn. So the last thing we will do is to update this one to the latest week. So how to update this one? We have I have a Voyager 8, and then I export the ECDIS update and I select all. So from week 30 to week 36 it will update here. So I will show you on the Voyager 8 on how to. So here in the Voyager 8, just click the create ENC for update for my ECDIS. I only demonstrate to you. Here it must be update type is all, the period is all, and the update status is all. Lastly, you just make sure that all this status is no missing update before you export the updates in your B drive. So after that, you just click the full permit, and then you can export your update to your B drive and later on update to your ECDIS. Also here, since this is the ABCS, so since my CD and in Voyager is the same, week 30, so here in the updates you can, if you are not selecting this period to all, you can make it here. So you can make it selected week here, or from week here. So you can select, so week 30 you can select here week 29 for sure, or week 30 for sure, and then select period from week 30 until the current week. So it will export the week 30 until the week 36. But to make sure, just for me, just click this all, okay. So I always use this update type all, period all, and update status is all, so that I will not miss any of those update. Okay, we will now go back to my ECDIS, and then I already insert my V drive. So read from media. So here, this is the V drive, and then you only click this one, okay. So by the way guys, I will explain to you here. Before, we are using CMAP, so we always update here via email, update database. But I already try this one. I update here, and also I click this read from media, but it will make not so good result, because it will make another database. That's why it will show on your update status the too much unknown cell that you don't have a permit. So since then, I never use this function. I always use register database, okay. Tutorial register database, don't forget. So click this V drive and then click import. So select all 1, 3, 4, 8. So this is the volume, and then after that just click OK. So now the same process, we will wait until completed, and it will be back to week 36. Okay, so this is my ship. As you can see, I have a ENC chart. So my chart is back, so don't be afraid. Just learn and learn. If you know the basic, if you know all this process, then you will be all right. So I make this video especially for those not understand on how is the process of updating in Tokyo Keiki ECDIS. Also, I want to remove all your curiosity because you already see what happened when you unregister the database, when you delete the permit, and how to return it back. Okay, okay, now the decrypting process is completed, and then just click OK and click deinstall. So this video is I dedicate to all aspiring deck officer, especially who are using Tokyo Keiki ECDIS. So the status is all installed. Okay, so now it is already completed. Then lastly, also you will register the EIO because in base 1, 3, 4, and 8 it is not included. So this is the update of EIO. Just click import. And create update status report. Then you will see here it is updated to week 36. All is updated, and it is now updated to the latest week, and now it is all okay. So this is the end of this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video.